So this is an ImpulseRC Alien that I bought on eBay. It's the 4-inch body with 5-inch arms. It's got a KISS V1 flight controller, 24 amp ESCs. It's got the Hypetrain Freestyle V1 2306 motors at 2450 kV. It's quite a high-end build from around 2017, 2018. Not a bad buy for about 60 quid. But anyway, let's see how it flies. This is my first 5-inch quad. I'm used to flying 3 and 3.5 inch. This is quite different. It's got a lot more lift. This isn't the first pack of the day. This is, I think, the second or third. The first one was just cruising around a little bit to get the feel of things, make sure that nothing broke or caught fire or fell out of the sky. The video is lovely and clear. It's got a Runcam Eagle camera, which is pretty huge compared to the modern cameras, and TBS, I think TBS Unify VTX. It's all like wired up using a Mr. Steele power distribution board, which I think is where the OSD comes from. I really like this OSD. Lovely and simple. It's just got what you need and nothing else. The tune is really nice. I don't know if that's like to do with KISS flight controller. I'm usually flying Betaflight, so this is my first time with the KISS controller. But given that it's such a high-end build, I imagine that the previous owner probably spent some time tuning it. They definitely had faster rates than I'm used to. But yeah, it's a lovely tune. There's no weird wobbles or anything. It's very sharp. There's so much lift. Really quite happy with it. I mean, for 60 quid you really can't go wrong. I wasn't sure if I should get a 5-inch. There's not a lot of places to fly around here. Down in Sussex, it's really crowded. It seems like every bit of public green space has a nursery on it, so I mean it's hard to find anywhere to fly anything bigger than a toothpick, really. This piece of land is owned by Homes England. It's going to be turned into a housing estate at some point, I expect. But anyway, for while it's here, then make the most of it. The battery I'm using is GMB 1550 from the 140 series. They give about 5 minutes flight time. Really nice tune. I mean, I'm not a great pilot by any means, but You can tell when you have something that's kind of, you know, been set up nicely. Yeah, getting near the end of the pack now, I think. There's someone walking down the path, so good timing. But yeah, I'm happy with that.